Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14, and in this video I will show you how to create or remove user accounts on this laptop. So to do that, you have to open the Start menu and go to Settings. Now in Settings, select Accounts and then scroll down to Other Users section, open it and then click Add Account to add another user, and then you can add another user using their Microsoft account. If you want to do that, simply enter their email or phone number, then confirm with their password, then create a PIN code for them, and that will be it basically. But if you want to create an account locally, select I don't have this person's sign-in information, and on the following page select add a user without a Microsoft account, and then name this user by entering their username right here. Then enter the password for them and make sure that you remember it. Then make some security questions for this person in case they forget their password, so that they will be able to answer one of these questions and regain access to their system. So enter the answers to the questions. And when you're ready, click Next. And this way another user's account will be created. To switch to it, open the Start menu, tap on your account, then tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner of this window and select this user's account. If you want to remove their account, you have to expand this list and select Remove, but be aware that first, before you do that, you'll have to sign out of their account. Confirm by clicking Delete Account and Data, and this way you will delete their account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.